Today in crypto. Successful cross-chain integrations, a thriving community and renewed interest in DeFi projects back THORChain's current rally. In the past week, a large number of altcoins have broken from their sideways ranges to post double-digit gains, and it appears that investors are interpreting the current trend as a new altcoin season. As historical data shows, these altcoin breakouts typically occur after Bitcoin, BTC, enters a consolidation phase after a sharp rally similar to the one the market has witnessed over the past 3 weeks. For many of the recent top movers, technical analysis traders are simply capitalizing on tokens that show bullish market structure or are on the verge of a breakout due to increased volumes, but there are also coins that are moving higher based off a number of fundamental factors. THORChain, RUNE, is one of the tokens which is being driven by more than investor FOMO, and the digital asset was also one of the top moving altcoins in 2020. The THORChain project was founded in 2018 and aimed to build an independent blockchain that could facilitate cross-chain transfers. The project currently focuses exclusively on Binance Chain BET2 tokens, which somewhat contradicts its chain-agnostic aspirations, but there is the possibility that additional chains could be added in the future. Currently, THORChain's native rune token is given to traders that provide liquidity to the platform, and holders can also benefit from the staking pool. The liquidity pools are incentivized and managed similarly to Uniswap, although they are 50% composed of rune tokens. In the past 2 weeks, rune token rallied by 95%, and while there is not a timeline set for the mainnet launch, it's expected to be based on the Cosmos blockchain. Since August 2020, the BEP-Swap DEX has been running on a beta version, and the team issues regular detailed weekly reports on how the THORChain ecosystem development is progressing. On December 1, the THORChain's official Twitter account announced that Bitcoin cross-chain integration had been completed and successfully tested. The team also hinted that cross-chain integration with Ethereum would be the project's next goal. Another recent positive development came on December 31 when Haven Protocol tweeted that their integration with THORChain would be completed within 3 months. The post also stated that staking would be possible by adding HXV and XUS to Haven Protocol's liquidity pools. In the past week, THORChain reached a new milestone as the platform processed 10 million transactions in 3 months, but a number of analysts have severely criticized the project for the relatively small number of nodes. According to data from Delphi Digital, there are currently 67 nodes, and these are mainly run by AWS or DigitalOcean. This issue can be partially explained by the large amount of rune required to be staked in order to become a validator. Data from the THORChain also shows that price spikes have been accompanied by increases and decreases in social network activity. This effect corresponds with development activity and partnership announcements, as that news tends to be shared and positively commented on by its growing community. Currently, the project is held in high regard by its community and altcoin investors, but its future success may hinge on the team's ability to deliver its promises. The views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of Cointelegraph. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision. Argentina's Ripio acquires second-largest crypto exchange in Brazil. Ripio has acquired BitcoinTrade in a bid to increase its footprint across the frothy Latin American crypto market. Bitcoin trader robbed and pushed out of car in Hong Kong. The trader exchanged 15 Bitcoin for 3 million Hong Kong dollars before being robbed of both. Bitcoin bounces back above $31,000 after Monday's drop. Analysts say the Bitcoin market now looks less overheated than it did on Monday. Despite increasing its prices by almost 100%, leading Bitcoin mining manufacturer, Bitmain, has sold out its ASIC miners through August 2021. Institutional investors are not the only ones eager to accumulate the digital gold. Miners are also hungry to rake up any available machines. Due to rising demand, Bitmain pre-sold 3 months of inventory in only a few weeks. In early December, the firm was pre-selling ASIC miners with an expected shipping date in May 2021. Fast forward to a month later, Bitmain has managed to sell out all its yet-to-be-produced machines until August 2021. Besides, The firm has also raised its prices significantly, but this is not stopping miners from buying. As of November 2020, an Antimer S19 was priced at $1,897. The same machine now goes for $3,769, a 98% increase. As a spillover from the rising demand, the secondary mining machine market is also benefiting from the low inventory of primary manufacturers. Data suggests that the prices of second-hand modules have also climbed to new highs. The frenzy in mining activity comes as new institutional investors to flock Bitcoin. The price of the digital asset also ended 2020 with more than 300% gain. Mining revenue has increased along with the price of Bitcoin. As of Sunday, miners earned $0.25 per terahash per second. There are no indications that the demand for Bitcoin miners will slow down in 2021. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.